How to turn on two-step verification on TikTok. Start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Security and Permissions, which has the shield icon next to it. Here, under the Security section, tap on Two-Step Verification. Here you can see that you have a few different options for two-step verification. Now, for the most secure methods, I recommend using phone and authenticator. Email's a little bit risky because if someone has access to your email account, then they'll also be able to log into your TikTok account. Chances are they won't have access to your phone or an authenticator, so those are the most secure options. Once you've made a selection, go ahead and toggle turn on. Just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to turn authenticator off and just use phone and password. But once you've made your selection, just turn that on. Depending on what options you chose, the next screen may look a little different. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And there you go. Once you finish that, you'll have two-step verification turned on. Before you go, check this out.